We can graph solutions to inequalities by using an open and a closed circle. A closed circle is used when the number is included in the solution set, or it's part of the answer. An open circle is used when the number is not included in the solution set. The solution set is up to that number, but not that number. So here's a couple of examples. X is greater than 9. So we start by identifying whether we use an open or a closed circle. Because it is greater than, we use an open circle. We number the number line and place the open circle over the 9. Then we have to decide if our arrow is going to go to the left or to the right. One way to confirm this is to pick numbers from the number line. I can put a 7 instead of X. Is 7 greater than 9? No, so I know my arrow does not go that way. I can try an 11. Is 11 greater than 9? Yes, so my arrow will go to the right. We use a dark colored in with the arrowhead filled in to show that the numbers continue on. Any of the numbers to the right of 9 are correct answers for this problem. With inequalities, there's not just one answer, there are multiple answers that work. Number 2, y is less than or equal to 5. Again, we need to put in our numbers, so 5 needs to be listed on the number line. And then we have to decide if we're using an open or a closed circle. Because it's less than or equal to, 5 is part of our answer. So we're going to place a closed circle on the 5. Y is less than, so we need to check both sides. 3 is less than 5. So that tells me that my arrow is going to go to the left. And I'm going to double check by taking a number from the right. Is 7 less than 5? No, it's not. So I know I've graphed my line in the correct direction. Number 3, z is greater than or equal to -3. Again, we need to place our numbers on the number line and then decide if we're using an open or a closed circle. Greater than or equal to means -3 is included in the answer, so we're going to place a closed circle on -3. Then we have to decide if we're going right or left. So is greater than -4, and if you notice, I put the wrong numbers on my number line. I guess I don't know how to count. But we can just keep going with that. -4 is less than -3, so my line can't go to the left. -3, so if I put a -2 in, -2 is greater than -3, so my line should be going to the right. Last one for this slide, m is less than -10. Again, I need to put in my numbers on the number line. This time I counted correctly. And then I need to decide if I'm using an open or closed circle. Since there's no is equal to, it means -10 is not included in the solution set. So I'm going to use an open circle. M is less than -10. Well, -12 is less than -10, so my line is going to the left. So you should be coloring in the line to the left. On the next page, there are 4 more examples. Complete the examples and then show me your MPJ to check your work.